Hello warriors, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you my analysis for the upcoming week, and a lot of you in the group are asking for weekly analysis about this stock market, currency market, future market indices, and commodities. So I am right now on TradingView, and let's see together what we can actually understand from their analysis, their pages, and all the data that we have available in the on this website. So first of all, let's see. We can see the indices market has been growing since the bottom when the thing about the pandemic and the lockdown, it went down a lot in the previous couple of months. So right now is gaining a lot, and it is basically back to the previous level or almost. So if we see the Standard and Poor 500, it is almost at the same level. The Dow 30, the Dow Jones is basically almost at the same level, but the Nasdaq, I can't see it here, but the Nasdaq is basically actually at the same level, if I'm not wrong. Let me look for the Nasdaq. Yeah, so let's see the Nasdaq. It's quite actually interesting as an example. So yeah, definitely, as I said, actually overperformed itself in the last couple of months, since mid-March to now, basically till now, and it's quite interesting as a movement, because we have seen a lot of buyers stepping in and believing in the tech industry, in the tech company. So the best industry right now so far are the tech companies and healthcare, of course, for the obvious reasons, right? So tech companies are getting a lot of customer because they are having a lot of audience. Facebook is getting a lot of audience due to the pandemic, the lockdown, and so the technicals is definitely a buy. I would say a strong buy, but now it's a buy. The thing that actually is keeping holding back the technicals to the from the strong buy is because if you think about the pandemic and the lockdown, it's almost finished. So we will see a drop in audiences for the tech companies. We will definitely see a drop, right? So we need to understand how the market are going to react to this drop in audience, and there will be definitely 100% a drop in audience. Netflix will have a drop in audience, and all the major social medias and all the majors companies out there, like Zoom, like all the webinars company, and all the tech guys, right? So this is something that we need to try to keep track, right? But let's go to see the currency market. I love currencies. Who doesn't? Yeah. So yeah, let's see the euro dollar, my favorite one. Okay, the euro dollar recently had a lot of volatility, but let's zoom in. Let's see the chart actually more in detail. If you see, if you look closely, we have a nice template here. This is my template. I use this template for my own strategies, by the way. If you go to the 1 hour time frame, you see that basically recently the price has been in a lateral phase, then suddenly broke up this level, and now started the new market structure, the new market cycle. So we had this accumulation period, now we have this markup, and then we will have definitely another distribution phase. But the good thing here is that basically this trend, I don't think it's finished. I don't think this trend is finished. This is something that actually I think it's just retesting the previous levels, and with a lot of probability is going to be, there will be like a push higher. I'm not sure about this, of course. I am not. But right now on the hourly time frame, we do have a nice, oversold level here. The MACD is showing a very weak momentum because we want something like this. Okay, it's showing a very weak momentum. That means that if the price is bouncing back this level and breaking up this market structure, probably we can see further upward movements here. So this is something that you can look at next week, definitely 100%, and just keep an eye on it. And let's see. You should see if you should actually take care about this EMA here, the 50 EMA, which is definitely, for my students, they know for the HTR system, it's something that we look at very closely, and it can present a lot of opportunities next week. So just have a look at it, and let me know in the comments if you have any concern about the EMA 50 and how the price is actually doing reflecting to the EMA 50. So lastly let's see gold. Gold is something that a lot of people are addicted to gold. Who doesn't again? So yeah, gold. Oh, sorry. Just okay. So gold, it's been rising, in the past for a long period of time for obvious reasons. When the economy and when something is going wrong, people are going to buy gold. Why? Because gold, it's a physical commodity, and people want to protect their money with gold. So gold, it's definitely something that has been rising in this pandemic thing, right? But we want to know now, short term, what are the opportunities? Well, when it comes to trading the short-term opportunities, we want to look at the key levels. And we have a lot of key levels here in gold, because gold has been traded a lot. So we have a lot of different levels here, and it has been, ranging for a while right now. So let's zoom in a little bit. Here, I really like this this setup, because the MACD, I went to anyway. The MACD is actually, sorry, I have to do it again. So the MACD is has a very weak, is showing a very weak momentum, and I like this. And also, this movement is not parabolic, but rather it's a up and down movement, and this is good for us. So this, I don't like this, of course, to buy the breakout, but if the price is going to bounce again here, and it is stopping like a 50% of the previous movement, and then going back, upward here, and the momentum is still, relatively weak, we want to buy and place the stop loss just, below the recent swing. So this is something you should look at definitely for next week, the gold upward movement. And a lot of swing trader would say this, the opposite, right? Short here, you can short here, but you want to short here just if you see the confirmation. So let's say you see that this is bouncing here, and then not stopping at a 50% of the previous movement, but instead going a little bit further. Now here you can short your thing, and you can take profit around here. And I agree with you. you can have this opportunity as well. But the opportunity I'm focusing on at the moment, right now, is the upward movement, okay? So, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to the channel, please, please, please. It means the world, okay? It really means a lot to me if you subscribe and you leave a comment. If you appreciate this kind of videos, do that. I appreciate that you stay till the end. And, in fact, if you stay till the end, I want to, share with you a little thing that I am doing right now. So right now, I am selecting a few traders to work directly with me. So if you're interested in that, in the description, you'll find a couple of links to get in touch with me. In the description, you'll find a couple of links to get in touch with me and just, ask me how this thing work, because I don't want to explain right now here. I want to explain that privately. But since you stayed till the end, and a lot of people stay till the end of my videos, so make sure to stay till the end for the next one and the next one, I want to offer a little bonus. And yeah, so get in touch. It's very easy to get in touch with me. Just subscribe to this channel, send me a message, drop me a comment, or subscribe to the Facebook group. Leave me a comment there, or just text me on my private Facebook page, and we'll get in touch, okay? So have a great week, and I'll see you soon. Bye.